So basically, we just found this tunnel right over here. There's classical music playing as we speak. Let's go check it.
Spider webs. Oh.
Let me see.
Oh my god. Dude, that's crazy. Where's the music coming from?
Let's go down there, dude.
Wait, is this all water? Yeah. How deep? Oh, that's deep.
If there's a rock right there we could step on.
Dude, this is so
We need another huge rock to throw.